माय गॉड, मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा सेल्फिश हूँ. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am currently in Jaipur right now. I'm actually in Rajasthan for like almost 10 days because I have like two brides, and one is in Jaipur, which I am officially done with right now, the first bride, and the second bride is in Bikaner, which is like 3-4 days later. And for me, I think traveling back to Bangalore and then coming back again takes 2 proper days. So I don't think I was not mentally ready for this. So I thought, why not make it like a nice trip to Jaipur? So I'm going to stay in Jaipur for 3-4 more days, and I'm excited to be here because I don't remember the last time I properly explored Jaipur. So yeah. Guys, last night was so tiring. I just came back home and I just passed out. And I woke up at like around 12 and roamed around the house. Actually, by the way, I'm at my aunt's place who stays in Jaipur. Um, but yeah, all my cousins are married and shifted to other places. So I don't really have somebody to chill with. So I thought about that earlier only, yesterday itself. And I have been texting everybody that, like I've been texting on my Instagram. I posted a story that would you guys be interested in meeting me, because I have nothing to do over here as a major things. But I thought, why not just go explore this place, this city? And the first thing that I should do is meet some people so that they can suggest me where to go. So this is purely for that only. How, like, I'm so selfish that I'm going to meet some followers that, like, so that I can go and figure out what to do next. But to be honest, I'm very excited because this is my first ever meet and greet. Like, I'm hosting on my own, and that too also in a city that is extremely unjan for me. So that is funny because I think, what if people don't show up? And to be honest, I only texted like um 3-4 people only, because I was like, "Pehli baar hai, Mayuri. Let's just like have just 3-4 people come around and we'll chit chat. I don't even know what to do in a meet and greet, so I don't know. I hope we can just make a nice conversation out of it and have fun and eat food, because I know that the place that I'm going to is very famous over here. Sabne bola tha ki, you have to go there, you have to go there. So I thought, why not? मैं अकेले जाके क्या करूंगी? It's better to take people along with me. So which, who I don't even know are going to turn up or not. So I'm like, if not, you guys are going to see me chill with my own self in that place. क्योंकि क्या फर्क पड़ता है? I love my own company anyway, and I was thinking of making this trip all about me and chilling by myself, जो मैं बाद में भी करने वाली थी. Next, I think कल या फिर परसों I'm going to do like a whole um trip to Jaipur where I'm going to get out of the house. Aj I am just getting out of the house to meet people. So yeah, guys, look at my view. This is the Aravalli range, and it's so clearly visible. एकदम प्यारी प्यारी ठंड भी है, so that's super nice. And the धूप here, it's like I'm in some mother trance only right now. Okay, I called them at 4 and it's already 3:30, so I am running late now. So I'll see you guys over there and give you an update if people even turned up.
What hospitals you name it and you have it in
yes.
that case. I think that's the
Completely agree. The
boom in
properties are coming up.
Okay, so this is Vasudha, Pooja, Urvaja, and Dharti. I texted them very randomly कि आज चलो यार मिलते हैं, and I'm so glad that these people came in क्योंकि मेरी इतनी फट रही थी. I was like सिर्फ 3-4 लोग को मैसेज करते, but I'm very glad that these people have come, and we were just chilling, we were just talking, makeup की बातें थोड़ी की हमने, लाइफ के बारे में ज़्यादा बात कर रही हूँ. But yeah, I'm so happy that you guys are
We're
here.
so glad to meet you, and I think if given a chance, everyone should meet her in person. She's a fabulous person, in and out.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
अच्छा आप इसको अगर मन में सोचते रहोगे, then you eventually start working.
I woke up so late. I'm trying to get myself. Wow, ये कौन सी धूप है भाई? Whew. I'm just trying to get myself to go to Shar and go for shopping with my aunt because she wanted to go shop something, and I thought why not. So yeah. I am going to Jantar Mantar. I'm at Isalat, and this is the floor. These are the staircases. It's crazy. I didn't end up going all the way up because ये बहुत ज़्यादा steep था, and I was just scared that I was going to slip and fall, and there's nobody with me for me to pick me up. So I thought, no way, not happening. I'm heading towards City Palace now.
मोर देन 25 स्टार इंटेलिजेंट कुछ अपने सभी राजाओं के नाम के पहले था सवाई फोटो भी आप चाहे खड़े तो आप आगे खड़े हो, मैं क्लिक कर दूंगा.
हाँ जी ज़रूर, प्लीज़. अब वीडियो चालू हुई है, अब वीडियो ही करेगा.
एक
हाँ लगाया हुआ है.
अभी मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको खाली.
मेरे को आप
एयर कप भी है कानों के ऊपर पहनने वाले भी है. एयर कप है पूरे. ये देखो ऐसे टॉप्स पहन के.
I literally ran from my trip just because I knew it. I knew that shopping is going to make me anxious. I don't know why did I even think of doing this, because I know street shopping is not for me. I've gone everywhere. People have always asked me, "What did you shop?" Nothing, because I can't shop because I become very anxious when people like surround me and they're like they won't let you leave until you purchase something. I've not even asked that person the range and all of that. I've become very like and it does that happen to you guys? I don't know, man. Is it just me? Finally heading back home, and I look like this right now. I'm so dead with so much of stuff in my hand, and I'm over and out, guys. Over and out.
The next day.
The whole day went by me just sleeping because I got a cold क्योंकि मैं इतने धूम मचाले कर रही थी in autos yesterday that right now it's just me, my meds, and my tissue paper. That is it. And I have to travel tomorrow early morning, and I have a lot of stops in between. And yeah, wow, wish me luck.
The next day.
Today is going to be a long travel day. I am traveling from Jaipur to Bikaner with a stop of Salasar, because if it's in between, why not just go visit? And to be honest, I've been feeling really, something that I really need to get my things together, and I think Salasar coming in between was a good coincidence. So I'm excited for that. I am almost going to reach Salasar in like an hour. So yeah, I think I'll have my lunch also over there, because it's a good 7-hour drive from Jaipur to Bikaner. And it's a long journey.
2,000 years later.
Guys, it is day 2 of Bikaner and I am still getting used to vlogging. So I didn't shoot anything yesterday in vertical manner, but I had 2 events. She had carnival and she had her Sangeet, and I even met some friends in between. So I'm just like sharing it like in this format, because yaar aadat abhi tak hui nahi hai. But I remembered that, buddy, I was vlogging this trip, so here I am. So today we're done with her Myra event, which I'm sharing over here. And then now, just after some time, she is going to come get ready for her wedding. And then this trip is over and out, because I am leaving tomorrow back to Bangalore. I'm so, to be honest, I enjoy my work, but then some days when it's like this time, it was a really long trip. It's been more than 10 days since I've been traveling, and now I just miss home and I miss my bed and I miss my husband. Now I'm just too tired, because it's a very lonely trip where you're just in your room and just sitting, and it just gets super tiring. So I've been like super cranky just because I'm not used to being alone. And I'm like calling my mother a million times now. She's also done with me now. I don't think she's going to pick up my call. But yeah, I just shared a very amazing pro tip on my Instagram, where I use this brush cleaner because I'm in between events and I was just like cleaning it, and I was like, oh, buddy, why have I not shared this gem that I have in my hand, which I'm going to post it on my Instagram. Make sure you go check that out, follow me as well, and also subscribe here, buddy, because मैं यहाँ पे बहुत सारे pro tips देती हूँ. Of course, because I feel as if I stopped doing those classes, and I think I'm putting all my teaching energy to YouTube. So yeah, I'm just now very excited to go back home tomorrow. But I'm also very excited to do her wedding thing as well, because she's very pretty and she is definitely like a little, there's some things that she really wants particular, and I love that about her. When you know exactly what you want, that just makes everything so much better. It is departure day, guys. I am heading back to Bangalore, and right now I'm leaving Bikaner, heading towards the airport. And this has been, I think, one of the longest work trip that I have done, and I just value my bed more. But to be honest, it was really nice. I did so many things that I never generally do. Jaipur was so great. Even Bikaner was so great, and there are too many bumps. One second. Okay, but yes, it was super fruitful. Excited to be heading home. I post every Friday, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon right next to it. And if you don't follow me on Instagram yet, please make sure you do. I'm gonna keep it over here. And yeah, till then, I'll see you next week. Bye bye.